Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me again today. Really quick, I just wanted to pop on just to let you guys know what we're doing. I'm going for like a cloudy pearl pour. I guess it's not the traditional cloud or pearl pour, whatever. A lot of you guys were saying how I was getting clouds and some pearl cells, and so I'm kind of going for that again today. This one turns out to be very earthy and like stone effects, very organic. I love it. I hope you guys like it. My colors are mixed. Well, all my colors except for that one in my hand right there. That one is mixed with my kind of cloud mix, and that is the satin enamel from Deco Art, and I always mix that with an opaque from Amsterdam. And that one has, oh, what is it? It's a titanium buff light mixed with the tiniest bit of turquoise green. So I mixed those two colors together to get that really like Tiffany kind of minty green. And then I mixed that equal parts with the satin enamel. And then equal parts with my pouring medium, which my pouring medium is, I'm gonna have to do a serious like video for you guys. A mixing video, a current one. I'll get on that hopefully this weekend if I have time. Anyway, so the pouring medium is 25% golden regular gel gloss, 75% USA Flood floetrol. I mix that with the colors, my paint and my pigments until it's flow ready. So when you're putting the pouring medium into the cup with the paint and mixing, you want that paint to kind of, be flowing off the stick and not blobbing off the stick. Once it starts flowing, then I'm good to add my water to thin down for the technique that I'm doing. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Check the description box underneath this video so you can have a bit of a read about it. I will be doing that video, and it's going to be a long one. I'm going to really dive into just the pouring medium, different techniques that I'm doing, and different techniques that you can do with the pouring medium. All that good stuff. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible and with the least amount of ingredients from jumping over to one technique to another. So I like just being able to just mix up and go. I don't like to have to constantly be getting different ingredients and making different mixes. So I'm trying to make this as easy as possible for myself and for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And just to note, I only put that cloud mix in, that like minty green cloud mix. I only put that in one time towards the top of the cup, and then I covered it with the Prussian blue. Hopefully you just rewind and check that out if you missed it. Back at the end of the video with the dried results. I hope you guys are fantastic and are having a great day, morning, night, evening. Enjoy, guys. I'll talk to you at the end. Bye. All right, here we go. Dried result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you're enjoying these cloudy, pearly pores. I did kind of touch the top on accident up there. I did kind of like blow it out to blend it a little bit. But yeah, there's no varnish or anything. I love the earthiness of it, the natural kind of look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. This one is for sale. If you are interested, you can email me at ericahughesart@gmail.com. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye!